there is not much to say because I am learning trading
Ah,
because I no work to do.
hmm.
So was got infatuated with financial markets.
Okay,
So
okay.
so my family is very much against this. They
Ah,
say that you will waste money
ah,
and nobody earns money from markets. But I said it is a very uh, it is so wonderful to understand markets.
hmm,
And through
hmm,
your course, you have made it so easy to
hmm,
understand the nitty gritties of the market.
hmm,
Because earlier it was all vague,
hmm,
and I had opted for this all the Bell TPO's courses,
hmm, hmm, hmm,
and I got the whole range of their
hmm, hmm,
ultimate
hmm,
and
hmm, hmm,
but it was so difficult, to follow those bars and all. But
hmm, hmm,
by doing the CTF,
hmm.
now I understand, all these weaker references and
Yeah, yeah.
what is happening, and so wonderfully you have explained what
Hmm.
the markets are doing, how the markets are acting, who are the market, wonderfully you have explained the status quo traders and discovery traders
Yeah,
because
yeah.
no, because I have read Jim Dalton's book,
Hmm.
and these long-term traders and
Yeah,
short-term
yeah.
traders, it is so ambiguous. But
Hmm.
these names, status quo traders, it explains their attitude towards the balance. They
Yeah,
will they will trade inside the balance, and then discovery trader, they are trying to discover new markets. They are going to
absolutely.
break this. So it's very self-satisfactory,
Hmm, 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 hmm.
explanatory,
Explanatory, yeah. Yeah.
explanatory. And I would love to join you every time whenever you have new
I would
revision.
love to have you, sir. Absolutely. I would love to have you every time. And I really appreciate, like, I think the only thing that can keep you forever young is financial markets, right?
Yeah.
That is my experience. I have had many traders who are much senior to me, like yourself, who have appreciated this business of trading so
Uh,
much that you can still feel excited every day to trade. So thank you very much for joining me. Anything else you would like to share?
it is not only the market hours which keeps me busy. It is the
Okay.
after hours,
Hmm.
and Sundays and Saturdays, by listening to your this thing,
Yeah, yeah,
all
yeah.
all those courses,
Hmm.
and thinking about it. So
Hmm.
it is like a meditation. It is like
Yes, yes.
you
Absolutely.
earlier there was nothing to think about. Now
Hmm.
there are a lot of things to think about, and I
Ah,
have stopped seeing those YouTube videos and all
ah,
those
ah.
stupid things which I used to do.
Hmm.
I'm just concentrating on market profile and VSA, nothing else. And it is so wonderful. I
Thank
think
you. Thank you.
for another 20 years,
Hmm.
I will be very, very busy with the market,
Yeah,
with
yeah,
financial
absolutely,
markets.
absolutely. No
Uh,
doubt about it. No doubt
uh,
about it.
it's not a matter of earning money, actually.
Hmm.
It is the times well spent.
Yeah, yeah.
That is the feeling I get.
Hmm.
Earning money, you have property, you
Hmm.
have done
Hmm.
a lot of, you have a bank balance. But, whatever time you had,
Hmm.
that time is spent. For
Hmm.
youngsters, it is good. It is a
Hmm.
next new profession they are
Yes.
looking for. For a
Hmm. Hmm.
retired person, he
Hmm.
wants to spend his time wonderfully, to think about. There's something to think about.
Yeah,
I
yeah, I
mean,
understand.
no amount of Netflix or
Hmm.
Prime Video, they can occupy your mind.
Hmm. Hmm.
And financial markets, they are an obsession.
Yeah, yeah,
You
absolutely.
you are so passionately involved with the financial market that
Hmm.
most of the time, wherever you are, whether
Hmm.
you are sleeping, whether you're waking, you are doing anything, you are thinking about financial market. And that is what
Absolutely.
has happened after your course.
Hmm.
Somehow
Hmm.
I'm getting in love with the financial markets, totally involved with this thing. And
Nice to
thank you
hear.
so
Nice
much
to
for
hear.
this course. Thank you so much
Thank,
for this.
thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay, so we heard Gajendra Sir's experience. One thing I want everyone here who's young to take from this is that is what he said at the beginning of his talk, is that his family does not support it. All right, so no matter how old you become, how experienced you become, family won't be able to understand. That is the reason why we have this community, all right, where we come together, where we all have the same passion, same goal, same interests, so that we can be there for each other also. So sometimes you cannot just talk about markets with everyone. They will get bored, they don't have any interest, and then you have nothing else to talk about. So this is the reason why we have this community, where I invite you every day to come and discuss about markets. All right, it's a wonderful thing to talk about, and it is simply beautiful. There are no other words for it. So thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable inputs there. All right, all right. Who is next?